Now, almost anything can be a link. Generally, what we've been dealing with is text that can be links. And generally, that's commonly what you see when you're dealing with links. But you could have other things that could be links. For example, we have an image element here, and it's possible that we could make the image a link so that if somebody clicks on the image, you are taken to a particular link. Let us look at how the web page looks at the moment. So we have our normal heading text, and then we have the other text with a link. Now we just have a simple image. Not so happy, isn't it? But let's make this image element a link, just like a text. It's the same process. I will surround it with an A element. Then I go ahead to specify the href attribute. In this case, I will just link the user to YouTube. So very simple. I surround the image with the A element. Now, once the image is clicked, it is taken to the link specified in the href attribute, and that is YouTube in this situation. So if I go ahead to click on the image, I am going to be taken to YouTube, and voila, we are there. Don't worry, it's offline, so you ain't gonna see anything, but it just shows that it works. It doesn't have to be a text. You could surround an image with the A element.